voice records with your Galaxy S25 series. Go to your app screen and open the Samsung folder. Here you will find this voice recorder app. If you don't have this voice recorder app available, then go to Galaxy Store. In your Galaxy Store, search for Samsung voice recorder. And here you will find the Samsung voice recorder app. So go ahead and install it. Now just open the voice recorder app. And here, tap on next, start. Allow all permissions. Now to start your voice recording, just tap on this mic icon. Allow. And that's it. You have successfully started your voice recording. By tapping on this icon, you can pause the recording. By tapping on this red button, you can start resume recording. And to stop recording, tap on that. Rename your voice recording, tap on save. And here is your voice recording. That's it.